Is this thing on? How do I move this a bit further away? Oh. Guys, hello. Hello, welcome back to, welcome to my channel actually, because I feel like I haven't actually posted on YouTube for a very long time. I did try to do a vlog like 10 months ago, but that sort of flopped, innit? But I've got a new camera, guys. I've got a new camera. So I'm now a vlogger. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Adiola K. I don't know what to expect on this channel, but there's going to be a lot of vlogging. And yeah, just come with me whilst I live my life. Whilst I live my best life at that, actually. So yeah, it's currently 3:36 in the afternoon. It's a lovely day in Manchester. And yeah, we're going for a massage. We're also going to cryotherapy. I went yesterday and it was really good. I mean, I didn't last the whole 3 minutes, but I didn't do too bad. So yeah, we're going again today. I'm very excited. I actually need to go now because I'm meant to be meeting Holly and Mia, my friends downstairs. Oh, you're on the vlog. Say hello, Callum.
Hello, Adiola's vlog. I'm just buttering my toast.
Oh, he's just buttering his toast. Bless him.
I burnt myself.
Oh, he's burnt himself. Okay. Right, how do I turn this off again? Let me make sure I've got everything. My phone, I've got my phone. And let me take my bag. And let me take my camera, my new camera. Let's go. This is going to be a very, very interesting event or experience. But I'm excited, so let's go. Wait, let me see if I've got my card holder, because I always seem to forget that. Okay, that's that. We got that. Right, let's go.
Vloggy, vloggy.
Vloggy, vloggy.
Am I on the new camera?
Oh, yes, you are. Hello.
Hello.
From my new
About to
camera.
go for, what's it called?
Cryotherapy.
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 Freeze to death.
Ooh.
Can't wait to freeze to death.
Same. Should we go? I don't know why you're sitting down. We need to go. I need to get Mia to help me with these camera settings because I have no idea what I'm doing.
Oh, it looks good.
It does, doesn't it? I'm a vlogger. Hiya! Oh, look, there's Mia. Here's Mia.
I'm with the camera already.
Hello. Say hello to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Vloggy vlogger. We're back again.
Here to slay once again.
Here to slay once again. Meditation.
Cryotherapy. Yeah. We want to freeze.
Do both.
I want to be up.
What, you do meditation?
I've never done floating ball.
Yeah.
I've heard good things about that thing.
Mia and meditation
Don't
are
go.
like, yeah, no, they do not go.
I'm like,
Her brain doesn't switch off. She doesn't know how to meditate. She's like, so what do you
I'd
do?
say so. I've got ants in my pants.
She has got ants in her pants. She's like, so what do you do? Just sit there. She's like, I can't.
Yeah,
I'll be
because your
thinking
mind
about-
just starts thinking about 100 things.
Yeah.
yeah,
It's
but
really hard.
if I have to think about not thinking, then I think more.
Yeah.
If
you
I
have
think-
to practice it. It's so long.
It is long. I think the most I can do is probably about 10 minutes.
Read.
10 minutes? I feel
Yeah.
like 2 minutes.
Really?
But surely
But
that's
you
just
used to do,
nothing.
you used to be really good at meditating.
Yeah, and then for like, as soon as you stop doing it again, like
Yeah.
you have to train your brain to like,
Yeah, I don't know if I'd be able to do 10 minutes now.
yeah, no.
10 minutes is long. I'd be like, I'm bored.
Yeah.
Why do I always do that?
She was like, oh, do I have to sit there like this?
Legs go-
And I was like, no. You can literally do it in your chair. You can literally just do it in your chair or in bed. Just sit there in your bed like. Try the guided meditation.
Yeah, that would probably help.
What's that?
Guided.
Guided.
They talk you through it.
They talk you through it.
Oh, thank you. I'm so excited
Thank
for
you.
the massage.
Ghosty.
We're now going in. Oh, this is very wonky. I need a proper
I hate
tripod.
these
Yeah, they're
so
good.
much. I just hold mine.
Bendy Wendy, do you have to watch that?
Bendy Wendy. So we are now going into. It's the cryotherapy first, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we booked in for cryotherapy and a massage
Yeah.
because we deserve it.
Wellness clean.
Wellness, health and wellness. That's what we're all about in the rest of 2024.
I just want to be like Mia.
Yeah.
Just try and be like Mia.
Mia didn't even flinch in that chamber.
Yeah, and she had it on 60. That's
Yeah.
Yeah, but I have some ice baths before. I feel
That's
like I was a little
true.
bit prepared.
Yeah, you was definitely prepared. Yeah.
Everybody messaged me being like, minus 110, that must be fake, like you die. I was like, bitch.
You felt
was
it.
110.
Yeah, you felt it.
Don't take this away from me.
Because even when, like in a normal cold weather, my extremities do not go numb like that. That was not normal.
Are you going to take your wig off, Greg?
No, that's going to keep me warm. Coco will be fine.
She will.
She'll keep me warm.
Do you want to put it in the locker, Greg?
Yeah. I'm like, where's my locker?
Yeah.
Let me put my shoes in there. Anyways, guys, wish us luck. I look dishevelled because I just had an hour massage. A massage that lasted an hour. Guys, I feel like I'm floating on cloud 9. I'm floating on cloud 9. My wig was halfway off my head because that's how good the massage was. I'm not even gonna lie. It was amazing. And now I'm gonna find something to eat because my stomach was also rumbling whilst doing this massage show. Let me find something to eat. And then I've literally got to tidy up my flat because it literally looks like... I can't even show you guys. It's really embarrassing. So that's my plan for tonight because I go to London tomorrow. I'm going to London with Mia for an event. And I'm probably going to stay for the week actually because my cousin's wedding is on Thursday. So morning, guys. Happy Friday. Today, I'm off to London. I don't know whether I can be bothered to drive all the way down to London, but I have to now. I still need to tidy up this house because yeah. Anyways, I need to tidy up the house. I need to clean the bathrooms. Guys, sorry, but I was gonna record me tidying up and cleaning, but yeah, what's going on with this camera? Does this look normal? Listen, I'm still trying to figure out how to use this camera because it's a little, well, it's meant to be easy. Guys, for future reference, don't put your dishwasher and washing machine on at the same time because you're just going to have a mad noise in the background. Anyways, guys, what was I even saying? I can't remember. But anyways, I hope these settings are okay. Yeah, that's what I was saying. This camera is meant to be beginner friendly, but maybe I'm not a beginner. Maybe I'm not even a beginner because why am I finding it difficult to operate this camera? Anyways, I've cleaned the whole flat. Thank God. It took me about 10 years. I even did the skirting boards. Yeah, also, I've just had some breakfast. I always go to this place called Ezra and Gill because it's the best, I'm not gonna lie, best in Manchester. Oh, my dishwasher's done. Perfect. Something stinks here as well. I think it's my bin. Right, I'm gonna take that out. So, I only have to shower. Don't ask me why, it's like 3 PM and I still haven't showered. And I'm gonna take the bins out and I'm done. I'm gonna go pick up the car, pick up Mia, and then we're off to London. If you wanna go take a ride with me, anyways. Woo-hoo.
Hi guys. Oh, it's
Hi
Mia.
everyone.
I'm just I'm updating you on Adiola's vlog because she's designated driver for this trip. But we're on our way to London. It's absolutely pissing it down. But we're on our way. We've got exactly 3 hours left. Adiola's got a bit of scran. Nice little
Scran means food, by the way. I didn't know this.
nice little sandwich. I got some extra flaming hot. These are going to be way too spicy for me, I know it.
I was wondering why you was picking them up.
I was feeling crazy. And then I got a kombucha. Because health and wellness.
Health and wellness.
But yeah, we will speak to you guys tomorrow or tonight when we get in. Because
Yeah.
we're going to order some fat scran.
Oh, yeah.
Guests know that you're clean, doggy. That you smell good. We don't want people spreading rumours.
There's just no context. There's actually no context to this bit of the video.
No, guys, have you ever met someone's dog and it stinks?
Yeah.
That ain't my dog. I take pride. Look, she's a princess.
She is a princess.
I take pride in my little baby.
It's a dog, you know?
Anyway.
We're gonna both vlog in unison. Shut the brightness down.
Vloggy, vloggy.
Vloggy, vloggy.
Right, so guys, we arrived at Chrissy's last night. Don't even ask me about that journey because it was absolutely disgusting. It was horrendous. It was raining all the way down. But yeah, we're off to Chrissy's event.
Guys, look how fabulous I look.
She does look. You do look quite good, you know.
No, like I actually normally look like a scum.
No,
so
you
when I
don't.
look good,
No. She looks unreal, bless her.
So she explained to the vlog
What you new products?
Oh yes, the new product.
So I'm launching a brand new collagen elixir with Promix. It is like the best new supplement brand. And also, Mia will insert a picture that me, her, and Victor.
Family.
We look like a family.
A little
Looks like
family.
I'm her mum.
Wait, I need you to tell me the one that picked. Quinny's all just.
So we'll insert that because that's a bit of a madness. Now.
It was cute. It was giving dysfunctional family. Bless.
Right, are we ready, guys?
Right, let's go.
Toothbrush pits smell good.
Buttons. Why are you in the toilet though? Why have you followed us in here? Buttons. 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 The way she's actually airing me as well. Anyways, we're in the toilet. Hey, don't worry. Oh, you're wearing Baccarat Rouge, innit? I feel like this is a very Sana. That reminds me of you.
LA.
Because it was LA, yeah. She wore it everywhere, and it reminds me of you now. Baccarat Rouge. Say hello to Sana, guys. How beautiful is my little girl?
Look, I went for the same kind of colour
Yeah.
as the packaging.
As the packaging. Well done.
Thanks.
Well done. We are in 100 Shoreditch right now. Here's a view. I've never actually been to the top of 100 Shoreditch before. I have been here multiple times, but I've never been to the rooftop bit. So this is very nice, very interesting. Vloggy, vloggy. Here's a PR package. You get the beauty elixir. I think these are like the packages, like the individual packages, and then you get like a little whisk as well, and then the actual bottle. How beautiful does our girl look? Stunning. Oh guys, look at this. This looks absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Well, say hi, Kelly. The Kelly Matthews. Adina, say hello to my vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Sorry. Oh, this looks gorgina. Yeah, this is it. Do you want to say hello to my vlog? Say hi.
Guys, how are you? I'm going to say that I'm tired. How are you? Thank you so much for coming to the first ever Promix event in London. This is the first time we're introducing Promix to London.
Kelly, what happened?
Doesn't that make sense? Like, do you just carry the blender around, or
No, but the thing is, yeah, she was literally suffering in silence.
I just turned. I was like, what?
she did it and it was just silent?
Yeah, she was just silent.
What can I do?
Nick,
Yeah,
have you tried anything yet?
I actually have, yeah.
Oh, look, Nick, the light is hitting you perfectly here. Wow. Look at you, get so shy.
So do you as well.
Oh, I do, don't I? Sam, how's it going?
It's great, great.
I'm behind the camera today.
Yeah, first time.
First time.
Always behind it,
Yes.
never in front of it.
Yes, I am. Say hello to my vlog.
Hello vlog.
Guys, I am an actual thief. Look how many goodies I've taken from this event. How am I getting this all back home, please? Look, look. Is there any need for all of this to be taken, please? Yes, there is.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, there is.
How many products did you take?
Yes. My answer is yes, and that's it. But I can't wait to try all my new goodies. I've got some protein. I've even packed my ninja thing. Got some snickerdoodles. Oh, so excited. So guys, we come out for a spot to eat. Everyone's eating a few bits. I've only just got fries because we're going to dinner very, very soon. So just this for now. Hey guys. So we are still at Chrissy's house, but we're leaving today. Guys, my stomach has been on one recently. I have just exploded in Chrissy's spare bathroom.
I don't want to go in there.
Don't go in there, babe.
I need to wash my face.
No, I would not suggest anyone go in there for at least 5 business days. 5 working days, because wow. You know when you feel light? Yeah. I felt light as a feather after. Yeah, so today I am heading back to my parents' house. And then Mia, you're going back to Manchester today, aren't you?
Yeah, I go to Ibiza tomorrow. So
she's off to sunny Ibiza tomorrow.
I need to pack as well.
And she has to pack, so she's heading back to Manchester today. I will be in London, unfortunately. For another few weeks, but yeah, I got a busy week this week.
Not another few weeks. Another few days.
Another few days. Oh yeah, another few days.
God forbid, another few weeks.
I just don't live in London anymore. I don't know why I'm always here. But anyways, I don't know what else to say, what else to fill you guys on. Oh, how did you find the Pro Mix event?
Well, it was so fun. Sorry, I've got my retainer in. I can't bit of a list.
That's fun.
It was really fun. The
really
product
enjoyed
was
it.
super nice. Everybody was really nice, weren't they? The people that were invited.
Yeah. Everyone was really nice. I left with so much stuff.
Should have seen this. And then we was getting everything out of Chrissy's car. And because there was so much shit in the car, two of the tubs of elixirs just went smashed on the floor.
So I lost 2 bottles of elixir. Oh, I'm gutted. Luckily, I've got like 5 more.
Luckily, I've got 5 more bags.
Yeah, luckily I've got 5 more bags, so it's fine. I'm just gutted that
Holly's and Callum's is just gone.
Yeah, Holly's and Callum's is on the floor outside. I'm so sorry, but I'm not giving you one of mine. But yeah, we really enjoyed that Pro Mix event yesterday. Yeah. And then we all came back to Chrissy's, we all chilled. And it's been a good 2 days, to be fair.
Yeah, it has been fun.
She's been a great host.
Yeah, hostess with the mostest.
She has.
London's just so long, always.
Yeah, it is. It really is.
Not even just the travel, I don't know. It's just, even if you just want to go somewhere. Like, we just went to the event yesterday. It's like over a half an hour drive. And you're not even going that
For
far.
like 2 miles.
Yeah, whereas like Manchester, if you wanted to do something in the city centre, it's like 5 minutes away, 10 minutes away.
Or you could just walk there.
Yeah. Everything's just long.
It really is. Hi guys, so I'm currently in my mum's house and I've got my pyjamas on because I'm not going to lie to you, I'm going back to sleep because I think this weekend has left me drained. My social battery dies or drains so quickly these days, it's crazy. But before that, I just thought I'd have the pre-bloat thing from Pro Mix. I think this genuinely might be my best friend because I'm always bloated and my bloating, especially over the weekend, has been painful. I especially bloat around my cycle, like my period time. So yeah guys, this is going to be my best friend. It tastes like orange juice. Yeah, it really just tastes like orange, like cordial squash. Also, I love the packaging of all of their products. I just think it's super clean, super nice. I'm hoping to actually work with this brand one day, so let's manifest that, shall we? Anyways, I'm going to sign off the vlog here because, like I said, I'm going back to bed and I've not got anything else on for the rest of the bank holiday weekend. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this first vlog back. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys. Ta-da!